Where do you start with Fortnite? Jonesy, that's where. Okay, so to start off, he's got quite a square head. So we need to go one line down like that, another one coming down just like so, and another one coming up like that. So I'm going to refine this a little bit. So you get that nice jaw shape that he's got. It's got a big old jaw and a very wide neck underneath as well there. So I think that's roughly what I want. Then we're going to work out where everything's going to go. So across there is around sort of the nose and ears around that point, eyes around this point. Come up to his hair, which is going to be around here somewhere. I'm going to outline where the hair is going to go like that, and he's got sort of hair that goes across. Comes in again like that. So now I can add the ear, another ear, just like that, very simple. Eye is going to be around there, another eye is going to be around there. The nose is important to get right in a Jonesy. It's a big one. No offence, Jonesy. Cheeky little one there. Going to draw a line a little bit across there, as if he's sort of smiling. The eyes can come out like that. Eyebrows, quite large eyebrows. All the best people have large eyebrows. And the hair on an original style Jonesy is going to be coming in sort of bits down like this. So over the top like that. But you can do that however you want. And if you're doing different types of Jonesy, then you're going to have very, very different hairstyles, especially if you're on like Buccaneer Jonesy or something like that. I like Dad Bod Jonesy, personally, but you know, it's just me. What's your favourite kind of Jonesy? Tell me in the comments. I'm doing survivalist sort of one here, actually this sort of gear on. But that is more or less there. That's your main frame for a Jonesy. And then you can Jones up all over the place and put them in all different kind of ways, or different versions of old Jonesy. So we'll start off with a basic Jonesy and then we move on from there. But there we go, that's our outlines. I'm going to take you along to the digital stage and then the colouring. That's going to come from over here. See you in a minute. So here we are with the digital stage. Going around Jonesy's head. Thick outlines on the outside, that's how I like to do things, so I'm filling those in first. Not a huge amount of detail on this one, so it should be relatively easy. We'll see if I can mess it up. Jonesy's hair, filling in those little bits there. So I think Jonesy's supposed to be in his early 30s, much like me. Obviously this is Recruit Jonesy, the original, or no skin Jonesy, the default. And he's the original and the best, you might say. I'm looking forward to drawing lots more different skins. You have to let me know which ones you want to do. The one I really want to do is Bunker Jonesy with the liquidized peely. I mean, that's going to be a treat, that one. Not the easiest. No, creeper. No, not the easiest, but it I think will be a fun challenge. So let me know which other ones you want me to draw. Far Out Man, Missions Specialist, Grill Sergeant, who works at Durr Burger, Dark Jonesy, Castaway Jonesy. They could all be fun. Not as fun as Bunker Jonesy, obviously. I really just want to draw Peely and Cup. So starting off a bit yellowy with that skin there, but don't worry, we're going to sort that out. We're going to leave the yellowy as the sort of darker tone, and use a much nicer, lighter tone for the main face. It's got a lot of face, hasn't he, Jonesy? few highlights here. Normally I do the highlights at the end, but getting carried away here and just doing them straight away all over his face. Now then, onto here, naturally. So we've got a few shadows around the edges there. We've got a rather central light source. I'm going to do some highlights around it in a minute as well. Doing cartoons of Fortnite characters is really fun. They're already kind of cartoony, but not kind of in the sort of bold, exaggerated way that I like to do things. So I'm really looking forward to doing some more Fortnite stuff in my kind of style. I reckon it lends itself quite well. If you haven't already, check out my Minecraft stuff as well. That's a lot of fun. Let me know anything else you play or watch that you want me to draw. I'm loving taking suggestions from you guys. It's my favourite thing to do. Yeah, Jonesy's really coming to life now. Look at that. Just got to do a few more lightning bits, a few more darkening bits. Bit of some shadow, some highlights. We're almost there now. I wonder what's next for Jonesy. Here we go, coming to the end now. Just some finishing touches just to make it look a little bit more realistic. Hit those light sources. And we are pretty much there. Cool, let me know what you think of this one and which one I should do next. Please do subscribe if you like them.